Hi guys, this is Miss Hart-Townsley and I hope everyone had a wonderful winter break. This tutorial is going to show us how to use our Google Classroom to find our lesson plans and to submit our homework assignments. Okay, so I would like to bring your attention to the three tabs at the top of the screen. We have our stream, students, and the About tab. Okay, here in the About tab, I want to point out a few features that you're going to find or hopefully will find helpful. The first one is our Drive folder. Okay, this is going to archive any of the tutorials that I give you, plus give you access to any documents or folders that I reference in the assignments. You will have access to our classroom calendar, as well as be able to incorporate that calendar into your own Google Calendar. You have a quick link for my email in case you have any questions. Remember to use your best judgment on when to email and when to wait to ask those questions, and make sure you're very specific when you ask. Over here in the main section, you can find a link to your lesson plans. These are online lesson plans that are updated in real time. So if we have a change in plans, say on a Tuesday, then that will be reflected by shortly thereafter in that afternoon or maybe by Wednesday morning. You also have a link to a tutorial about your online textbook, how to access it and how to use it. And then you have a link to your class website. These are always there and will be updated accordingly. So what I'd like to take you to now is the stream. This is where we're going to have our assignments posted. Okay, so once you've joined the classroom, and I'll give you that code in your notes, the stream is where you're going to find your assignments. So you can see here that I've given you a practice assignment. Okay, now in order for this to show the student version, I am going to change my windows, but notice how practice assignment is available here. So now I have a student volunteer who said it would be no big deal if I used their information to show or to demonstrate what's going on here. Okay, so for example, this practice assignment is going to show you how to submit here in Google Classroom. All right, the link or the document is going to be given to you, and when you're ready to submit, you're going to either select the Add drop-down. You can retrieve a file from Google Drive, you can add a link, or you can attach a file. Or maybe this assignment will require you to create a document or create a slideshow, create a Google Sheets or Google Drawing. Okay, and so you have two options on whether to add something that already exists or create something new. All right, for example, or one of the things you need to remember here is when I add a document, if I can add a document from Google Drive, I'm going to have to make sure to adjust the sharing settings, whereas if I go to create and I create a new document, it's going to give me the appropriate sharing settings already. Right? So just keep that in mind when you get ready to do your assignment. Once you've attached the assignment, or included the assignment, you can go over here and click Mark as Done. This is not going to obviously like what I've done because I haven't attached anything, but it says practice assignment. Your teacher will just see that it's done because there's nothing there. You mark as done, and then it's going to be submitted. Let's say you realize that you've made a mistake, you attached the wrong document, you reread the instructions and realized you forgot something. You can always unsubmit your assignment, make the appropriate changes, and then go back in and resubmit. Okay, and so pretty simple process. This is going to be used for any assignments that are given online in Google Classroom. You will have access to Google Classroom from day one, and I hope this tutorial was helpful. If you guys have any questions or concerns, use that email button and let me know. Thank you.